Hey you guys, and we're back with another hair review. Okay, so I was sent some hair. I think it's a wig this time. Human hair wig. Oh, look at the packaging. You know I like to get straight to my reviews. The packaging is so cute and sleek. I really like it. This is from a company called Yolanfairy. Yolanfairy. I'm gonna put it down below so I won't get it messed up. And I'll put all the information down below as well. I'm trying to see how to open this. OMG. Oh, it's like this. Ooh. Okay, because it comes with gifts, and y'all know I love gifts. This bag is so cute. Okay, so it comes. These lashes is kind of cute though. Come with some lashes. It comes with wig cap. We always need some wig cap, babe. And this is a Fingerwave wig. And I'm so mad that I can't put it on right now because I got my, my locks in. If you want to see how I did that, I will put it probably up here or down below, wherever. Then you can see how I did these. Okay, so let's get to this. So let's take this net off. So this is human hair. Okay. Oh, this is cute. It's cute. It's cute. I'm so mad I can't put it on my head. But I might put pictures at the end as to how it will look on someone's head. Because I might put it. I think my mom wants it because she likes short hairdos. So she might rock it. And then if she puts it on, then I'll just like insert a picture or whatever. But this is so cute. It's so shiny. Ooh. I love the smell of new hair. I swear. It smells so good. It smells so good. It's so soft. It's so soft. What's this? Excuse me. I don't know what that is. Okay, we got some strand coming out. I don't know what that is. But other than that, it's cute. It's soft. It's shiny. You probably have to make the finger waves a little more dominant, but it's already going in the finger wave. What I want to say, it's already going in that type of motion, so it'll be way easier to fix it even better. So it has adjustable straps in the inside, no combs. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I don't like combs because it catches onto my hair and then I have to put a wig cap on. I don't always want to put a wig cap on. So if you don't like combs, it's not in there. If you do like combs, you have the adjustable strap, so that'll help. And then you probably can add combs in later or have somebody add it for you. But yeah, this is cute, especially if you want to do like a old Hollywood theme look or something like that. I dig it. I'm thinking you might see me in a couple of TikToks with these. You just don't know at this point. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I like to have a quick review. If I put this on after I take these out, I will definitely what is this? I gotta wash my hair. It be the freaking gel, like, okay. But I have to wash my, okay, I gotta wash my hair. What? Guess I gotta wash my hair. But you see me probably in these TikToks with it, so yeah, it's really soft, you guys. Yeah. Okay. So don't forget to check them out. Tell them I sent you. Whatever. And hopefully we can work again. And then hopefully if we work again, maybe they can give me discount codes. And I'll insert those for you. You feel me? You feel me? But if we could work again, that'd be good too. Yeah, so hit them up. This is a nice short for people that want a short wig. Nice. Look at that. It's really, really nice. Really, really soft. I like it. And y'all know if I didn't like it and if it was a stink or whatever, I'll tell y'all. Because I do not like to lie to people because I don't want people to go off of my word because I lied and then it ain't what you like. So I'm telling you, short wig. They don't have any lace. There's no lace. It's just like constructed with like a whole, you know, standard wig situation. But I could definitely see myself putting this on because I wanted to do finger waves, but I don't know how to do the finger waves in the back. And it's not that finger wavy in the back, but I know how to do finger waves in the front. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.